Hi, good evening, guys. I'm here to show you guys how to do an oil change on a Bilt Bronco. Basically, you turn the engine on and you just let it run, let the oil get nice and hot. Usually, your kit comes with one of these, something that you will put right here, which is where the oil comes out of. Here's your engine filter, and here's your oil filter. You get your little oil from give or take Home Depot or Lowe's, your oil filter. You open this little cap up, you put this little thing in here and you twist this open. And there comes your oil. Alright guys, basically here, that's already pretty drained, so you stick this back in, you twist it to lock it, you take this little thing back out, this little tube, cover it back up, boom. You've officially drained your oil. The oil filter's right here. Take this out. Whew, a little tight. So bear with me while I get the proper tools. So what you do here is you grab this nice little tool here and you find the oil filter, which is right there. Twist it. There we go. You twist it until it gets loose. And it may make a little mess, so make sure you have your oil pan drip there. Twist, 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 twist. There it is. Yucky, 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 yucky. Always keep a nice little rag because things can get a little messy. Always wipe. Make sure you keep things nice and fresh. And then you get the new one. Right? And with this, it's always advised that you get a little bit of this. And you put it on the top. You grease the top. Grease the top. Grab it. And we put it back. Check for leaks. No leaks, no leaks. Everybody's happy. Alright, so we take the oil and we put it inside the oil section here. Alright, so you check the levels of the oil. Make sure that's good. You make sure the oil filter is air tightened fairly well. There's no drips down here. You know, you dust it off, keep it nice and fresh from debris. And, you know, everybody's happy. The mower's happy. There's no issues. Do all this good stuff here. Got some thing. Clean it real good. And voila. Got yourself a nice Bilt with an oil change. Thank you. Subscribe below for more tips on, you know, nice home projects and little things here and there.